Okay, here's the Taranis Q7S, and open up this small little compartment, and here's the MicroSD card with the pins up. Just insert it there and push it in with your nails, like so. Now hold down the middle button, go to the second page because we're on the first one out of 9. Second, that's the memory card. These folders are on the memory card. Okay, and to format the card, hold down the middle button, and we have here information and format. Let's go to information. So it's a 32 gigabyte memory card. Okay, exit, hold it again, go to format, accept it, confirm format, just press it. Now it's formatting the memory card. SDHC card. Okay, so the memory card was formatted, and the memory card was formatted in the FAT32 format by the Taranis.